Number 1, it says the graph below shows a dashed line on the coordinate plane. A right triangle is drawn so the longest sides lies on the dashed line. Okay, so that should give you your slope. But we talked about how to find slope. They give us 2 points. So we use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. They give us 2 points right here. I'm going to label my points x1, y1, x2, y2. If I can find the slope of this one, then I should be able to find the slope of the others. So, for example, this one would be negative 12 minus a negative 1. Okay, I put my negatives in just like I would. And then I would say negative 7 minus a negative 2. Then I would leave, change, and this would be negative 11. Leave, change, and this would be negative 5. A negative over a negative is a positive. So my slope is 11/5. So I need to find which one of these triangles matches that. So I could label my points x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 4 over 0 minus 1. I know that's not going to be it right there. It's going to be 2 over 1. Okay? So not it. B is going to be 3 minus 8 over 2 minus 9. Well, that's 5 over 7. That's not going to work, right? Negative 7. Negative 5 over negative 7. Not it. Okay? I'm not labeling the points. I don't.
Why aren't they minus?
Because it's always minus in your x2, y2. So 3 minus 14. And then 1 minus 6. That's negative 11 over negative 5, which equals 11 over 5. That sure looks like what I got up in the top, right? And then my last one is x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 4. We clearly know that's not going to be it. And then 3 minus 6 is going to be negative 2 over negative 3. So my answer choice is going to be C. Okay, that is 4-1 coming right back at us. Okay, number 2, find the slope of the line. Oh, here it is. I think this is the day 1, day 2, whatever. All we need to do is label the points. Negative 6 minus 4 over negative 3 minus 2. Negative 10 over negative 5, which gives me positive 2. You have to follow your integer rules, guys. Okay, that's going to matter. Number 3. A ladder rises 30 feet for every horizontal change of 5. Rises over run, right? It rised 30 feet and then it ran 5. What does that simplify to? Boom. Making it, we got to just make it easy. Okay? Number 4. Which equation is an equation of the line with a slope of negative 3? So that means my slope should be my m. So this right here should be negative 3. Oh, this is not negative, not negative. And then a y-intercept of positive 10. Only option is there. Okay. Number 5. Triangle ABC and CED are similar right triangles that have been drawn on the graph. Based on the information, which of the following is not true? Okay, let's check. Their rise over their run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's really negative 2. 1, 2, yeah, they're both negative 2, the slope is, right? A right triangle with a hypotenuse AE is the same slope as the hypotenuse CED. We're looking for the not true one. That is true. The slope of the hypotenuse CED is less than. No, we found out it's the what? Same. So I think this is my answer right here. This equals negative 10. That's true. The slope of the hypotenuse is the same as the slope. Yes, that's true. B is my answer. Number 6. These two triangles are similar. Which of the following right triangles do not represent how triangles A and B can be placed on a coordinate grid? Remember, we told you they had to follow along the same slope. Does that make sense? So this one is not on the same slope. This one is. This one is. This one is. So we're looking for one that does not, which is answer choice A. Because they have to be along that same line. If we're saying they're similar, they have to have the same slope and they have to follow that same line. Yes? Do y'all understand that? Yes. Okay. Number 7. The table lists several points to form a line. Okay, guys, this should be going back to our 7th grade days. The change here is +1. This is, I'm sorry, no, that's +2. Okay, change here is +2. This is +1, and then this is +3. The change here is +12. This is +6, and then this is +18. If I write the change in y over my change in x, every time it would be 2 over 12, 1 over 6, and 3 over 18, which would all simplify down to 1/6. So my slope is 1/6. So mark this out and mark that out. Now, if I want to go back, my y-intercept is where my x is 0. So how do I get this back to 0? I would go, it would be +6 technically, right? From 0 to 6 would be +6, right? So what happened on the +6 over here? I subtracted. Okay, so I'm going to go 1. So how would I get from, what +1 is 9? 8. So where does it cross? 8. It crosses at 8. Okay, number 8. The table shows the total cost of service call from leaky plumbing. Determine the slope. The slope is the change in y over change in x, guys. This is our x. This is our y. The change here is +20. It's changing +20 for every hour, so the slope is 20. And then number 9, the graph of okay, so look, it's gonna cross, the y-intercept is +7. So moving out. The slope is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and it's -3 over 2, which is answer choice D. And then number 10, the senior class is selling. How much does it rise? It rises 6 for every 1.